How do you fix Vampire Crawlers is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. Now in the launch options box you want to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you'll need to check for your GPU driver updates. So if you have NVIDIA, you will need the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, if you have AMD, you can use the AMD software. Go to drivers, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest updates. And next, you'll need to open up your browser and download the redistributables. This link is going to be in the description. Then you can download and install the 86 and the 64 redistributables from this table here, which will require you to restart your computer once the installation is completed. Now, right after the restart, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.